everybody. This is Dr. Quarto, and I wanted to touch base with you about a few things pertaining to this week's module on the mental health counselor as a social change agent. One important theme in this week's notes has to do with empowerment and how clients will come to you because they have a problem that they haven't been able to resolve themselves, and they're hoping that you are going to come up with some ideas, maybe brainstorm with them to help them resolve this problem. And when that happens, it automatically places the client in a dependency position because they're relying on you to help them deal with this problem they have. But remember what we had talked about on the first week of class, having to do with what mental health counselors do. They focus on clients' strengths. So what is it that the client has unique about them, or some sort of strength that they have that you might be able to tap into to help them solve their problem? Is it something that they can build on that over the course of time they can handle this problem themselves and won't need you any longer? So I think that's an important thing that comes out of this week's notes. Counselors have really focused a lot on the counseling process over the course of many years, and traditionally haven't spent as much time as, say, social workers on eradicating poverty or looking at how perhaps policies, government policies, agency policies can have adverse impact on the poor. And there are reasons for that. I think there are reasons that you'll learn about in the notes why counselors really haven't gotten involved in those types of issues, but that's something I'd like you to learn more about, as well as how people develop problems within some sort of a context, within the context of some environmental condition. People don't only have problems because they think negatively or irrationally about things. They don't have problems only because they have some problematic personality traits. People have problems because of environments that they live in. So you'll be learning about 3 levels of environmental factors, which Bronfenbrenner refers to as the microsystem, mesosystem, and exosystem. And I provide you with an example of how these 3 things relate to a problem pertaining to teenage pregnancy. So these are all the topics for this week, and there's also a discussion board activity that I'd like you to participate in as well, and I look forward to seeing your comments pertaining to that.